What do you see as the biggest risk for TTA in the next few years, and how can we overcome it?
I think the main risk for the tutoring sector is that everything's starting to look the same subjects, same promises, same messages. If you're very good at social media, you look very professional, but parents stop seeing quality differences and they start just comparing us purely on price. It's not a race I want to be in, and I don't think anybody that genuinely believes in teaching and what the difference we can make wants to be in that. But I think the thing that we need to do as a community, as TTA, is to sort of get rid of that inconsistency in tutor quality. And I think that everybody feeling like TTA is a worthy cause as we do things out for the entire community. I think this will be that way we'll be able to get rid of that risk. Parents don't always separate a bad tutor from like tuition doesn't work. So I think we can definitely do that by holding that just higher sort of quality of teaching too.